Hey everybody, good morning. Actually, I need to get my Baja Diaries hat. Obviously, if you've clicked on this video, you own a XR650R or L, and you want to know if the Africa Twin is something that you're going to buy next. Well, this video is mainly for my viewers who have been following me the last couple years because they know that this bike right here has been my staple for Baja. And I've been hinting and talking about where I'm going next because obviously this motorcycle is coming up on 20 years old. Guys, this is starting to be a vintage. Hall of Fame vintage. In fact, I did a video where I think this bike is probably one of the greatest of all time. And I'll leave that link to that video in the description box. But where are we with this Africa Twin, which I had the chance to ride the last couple weeks? And I've been trying to tell you guys that maybe we need to give Honda engineers a chance and look into their foresight. Maybe they see something that we don't. And, you know, for the most part, obviously this is a bigger motorcycle. You know, it has its pluses and minuses over the 650R, but does it replace it? I think that no, the answer is no. And for the main reason is because I think it's still a little too big. And if Honda can shrink this, if Honda can maybe you know, make a 700 Africa Twin, I think that it could be the ultimate bike, and the 650R, I don't want to say it, could be a distant memory for all of us. The new 2020 Africa Twin, this is the base model. It has 5 riding modes. It has cruise control. It's fast. It can go a lot farther than the 650R, even with the bigger tank, obviously. Because obviously the 650 can still jump whoops, skip them, wheelie over them, where the travel limits on this Africa Twin kind of limits that. But, you know, again, I just wanted to kind of do a video on, you know, because I've been talking about it on my social media channels and looking forward to what Honda is going to bring us here in the next couple years. And I just think that for all of us diehard XR650R guys, it's coming. It has to come because I think that this bike is for guys who want to do bigger, longer, distant trips and kind of stay off the trails, where I still think Yamaha had the foresight. They made this 700 Tenere, and that is more of a trail bike / get on the highway bike. And I think Honda's going to attack that section. And, you know, for the most part, KTM and Husqvarna, they've made an attempt at making their 700 and so forth. So I think as Honda guys, we got to just wait and be patient, and hopefully Honda delivers and doesn't take a long time because we're all getting older, and I don't want to be riding a 700 a 2040 XR700 fuel injected bike at age 65. Okay, so let's speed it up a little bit, Honda. And I want to hear your guys' comments on this. If you guys have ridden the Africa Twin and you think it does the job of replacing the 650R, I want to hear your comments below. And, you know, for the most part too, you got to imagine, because I've already heard you guys where you say this is way too expensive, it's out of your budget. But would a 700 Africa Twin for $9,000, would that be in your budget? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next video. Okay guys, this is a petition. Hit that like button and let me know in the comments below if you want a brand new Honda XR650R fuel injected from Honda. I think if we get enough likes and views, Honda will take it into consideration and speed the process up. I don't know about you, but a Honda Africa Twin 700 sounds good to me.